One of the first questions my clients always ask me after they're in an accident with their own vehicle is, Mr. Walner, who's going to fix my car? How do I get my car fixed? And I need a car to drive around. Who's going to get me a rental car? And the simple answer is this. If someone is at fault for hitting you, the other insurance company will immediately give you a rental car if they are told that their client, their insured, was in an accident. And if they don't talk to you right away, call me. And the lawyers on my team will immediately call the other side's insurance to 1, get you a rental car, 2, to make sure your car is taken to the correct place for the property damage or your car to be fixed, and 3, to bring your car, if you don't want it, if your car is in a tow yard and you want to take it out of that tow yard to a body shop that you're confident and friendly with, then the lawyers will have the insurance company of the responsible party pick up your car, take it out of the tow yard, and bring it to a body shop of your preference. So always know your rental car needs, your property damage needs will be met immediately. And if anything's broken in your car, like your stereo or your cell phone got destroyed, the other party's insurance will definitely cover that. And what if the other party didn't have insurance in their car? Your insurance will, number 1, let you have your car fixed at a body shop of your choice. They will take your car out of the tow yard and get it fixed. They will immediately give you a rental car. And if you ever have any trouble with your own insurance company, my law firm will immediately take steps to get you the rental car, to have your car repaired, and or if your car is, the value of your car is worth way less than it costs to fix it, then we'll make sure you get the money to buy a new car immediately.